Today I'm going to teach you how to do this 3D carousel effect in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. Stick back and relax. On your edit page, drag in a fusion composition in the effects panel, extend it, move your playhead to your fusion clip, right click and select open in fusion page. The next thing you have to do is drag in a background, click one so that it will display. After your background gets displayed, go to Inspector tab, change the color to white. After changing the color to white, bring in one of your image, then connect it to your background. Click on the image and press 1 again. After selecting one like this, bring in a rectangle and connect it to the background like this. Go to your Inspector tab, increase the width, increase the height, then increase the corner radius. So the next thing you have to do is select the background from the backgrounds and highlight all of them. Press Ctrl G to group. We're going to call this one cheese. So you press F2 to rename and call it. Press OK. After that, click on your rectangle, press Ctrl C to copy, then right click and select anywhere on your time. Paste instance. After pasting instance, the purpose of pasting instance, whatever we do to one node, it affects all of them. So that's why we're pasting it as instance. We're going to paste it 5 times. So just keep pressing anywhere and just be pasting it. Paste 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Paste. Okay, so in total it will be 6. So now that we're done pasting them, highlight this cheese and select Ctrl C, copy, then Ctrl V, paste. Then connect to this instance rectangle. Just like this. Double click to expand your group, then drag in another image and drag it to this cheese. When you drag it like this, release it. We're dragging, this chicken breast. Once you drop it, this screen will pop up. Just press OK. So we have successfully changed this other image. Then after which we'll just cancel it like this. So we're done with this one. We'll rename this one chicken. Just the same way we did that one. F2 chicken. Our media pool. Then paste it again, paste this one, expand it, Sala, you just drag it to your PNG file like this. After which, cancel, rename it F2 Sala, then you connect it. Like, just keep repeating the process of changing the image for each one of them. Paste, change this one to pasta, drag this image to it like this, pasta. Same thing with this one, rename it F2, so we'll rename this one with meatball, and so then connect it like. So we're done with this. Now I want to take it into 3D space. We're going to bring in an image plane 3D. Once you bring your image plane 3D, connect it like, connect the first one to it. Click on your image plane 3D, copy it, Ctrl C, then right click, paste as instance, paste as instance again. Just keep pasting it as instance. So it gets to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, paste instance 6. You just connect each one of them to it. Click on this second one, image plane 3D, the first one that was pasted as instance. Go to your Inspector tab, go to Transform. Change the Y, change it to 60. Before we change it, let's just review all this work and see if it was properly arranged. Click on the first one, 1. Click on this other one, press 1. Click the next one, press 1, 1. 1 was not properly arranged. Let's double click on the merge, go to your inspector, expand the merge, then scale it down like this by reducing the size. So everything now is now properly arranged. You can decide to add shadows to each one of them, but I'm not going to do that just to save time. The next thing you have to do is go to your instance, then click on your inspector. After clicking on your inspector, we want everything to be in a circular form, and if you know, a circle is in 360 degree in circular form, so we under rotate the y-axis. We're going to change this one to 60 times 6, so that's how we're going to change it to 60. Right click on this same y-axis, so click the instance, then this other one, move to the next instance, image plane 3D, go to transform, add plus 60 again, and it's now 120. Right click and select the instance. You just repeat the same process for each one of them. This one now plus 60. Right click the instance. Same thing with this one. Transform plus 60. That plus 60. The instance. Then this last one plus 60. After which you want the instance. So let's just check all of them. 60, 120, 180, 240, 300. If you notice, this first one is also 300. So we're going to change this one to 360. Get in image 3D and connect each one of them to the mesh. Just drag it boss to boss, boss to boss, boss, like this. Now click this mesh and select 1 on your keyboard. Then click on your image plane 3D. Go to your pivot on the Z axis. Increase the Z axis, like separating out like this. Under mesh 3D, then on the Y axis, if you try to rotate, you notice that it's rotating in a very funny way. So how do you rectify this? Go to your image plane 3D, then go to your inspector tab and pin it. Now click on your mesh 3D. Then under pivot, the y-axis, right click and select expression. So we're dragging this y-axis here to this y-axis down. So just drag it like this. Pivot so this is it like this. After which unpin it and try to rotate it again and see. You see now it's now rotating in a much better way. Unlike before that it was rotating in a weird way. We're going to add render. I'm going to render. Connect it like so. Let's animate it. You just go to your beginning, click on your 3D, go to your inspector tab, setting a keyframe in the y-axis, under rotation y-axis, setting a keyframe, then go to the end, then drag your playhead to the end of your clip, increase the y-axis. Let's play it and see what we have. If you play it, you're going to have it something rotating like this. Let's add the background. After adding a render 3D, then connect it to your media out, go to your edit page, add in a background. Just click on the background and scale the background. So let's play our video. You'll now have something like this, the same size as our Fusion clip. So we're just starting almost the same time. So just have something like this. Yeah, don't just export it.